ChatGPT has become smarter, more accurate, and less obsessed with emojis after this upgrade. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. ChatGPT's default model has been updated to GPT-5.5 Instant, a model that brings accuracy improvements with fewer hallucinations, especially if you're using the AI while working in areas like medicine, law, and finance. According to OpenAI, GPT-5.5 Instant is more capable at tasks like analyzing images, answering STEM questions, and choosing when to use web search to provide a better answer. Responses can also become better because GPT 5.5 Instant can now draw context from past chats, files, and Gmail. But this feature is paywalled and is available for subscribers only. OpenAI says that responses are tighter and more to the point without losing substance and without eliminating ChatGPT's personality. It'll provide the same information but without unnecessary formatting, emojis, and follow-up questions. All ChatGPT models are being updated with memory sources, which will show users the past chats, files, and other context that ChatGPT used to generate a response. GPT 5.5 Instant has already started rolling out to all ChatGPT users, and it's replacing GPT 5.3 Instant as the default model. While free users can access GPT 5.5 Instant, the new personalization features are limited to Plus and Pro users on the web. Personalization will expand to mobile soon, and it will roll out to free, Go, Business, and Enterprise users in the coming weeks. And as for Apple Intelligence ChatGPT integration, it's not clear when it'll switch to GPT 5.5 Instant. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.